presenting the 2013 Chevrolet Cruze LS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: axle, 3.94 final drive ratio, front-wheel drive, battery, 438 cold cranking amps, alternator, 120 amps, suspension, rear, compound crank, steering, power, electric, rack-mounted, glass, solar-absorbing, tinted, enhanced acoustic package, audio system feature, 6-speaker system and seat adjuster, driver 6-way manual. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.